Welcome to the ultimate foldable showdown. Today, we pit the Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold against the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7 to see which flagship truly bends the rules of innovation. Both boast stunning 8-inch foldable displays with blazing 120Hz refresh rates and HDR10+ support. But which screen dazzles brighter? Under the hood, Google's Tensor G5 takes on Samsung's Snapdragon 8 Elite. Which chipset delivers the smoothest performance? Camera enthusiasts, get ready! Does Google's versatile 48-megapixel triple setup outshine Samsung's massive 200-megapixel sensor? Battery life and durability also come into play. Who packs more power and better protection? And finally, at nearly $1,800 versus $2,000, which foldable justifies its premium price? Stick around, because the answer might surprise you. Is Google's Pixel 10 Pro Fold the true king of foldables? Or does Samsung Z Fold7 still hold the crown? Let's dive in. Both foldables feature an impressive 8.0-inch foldable screen, but the Pixel 10 Pro Fold edges out slightly with a higher resolution of 2766 by 2152 pixels at circa 374 ppi versus Samsung's 1968 by 2184 pixels at circa 368 ppi. This means sharper, crisper visuals for the Pixel, crucial for immersive media and productivity. Additionally, the Pixel's display peaks at 3000 nits with 1800 nits sustained brightness, slightly surpassing Samsung's 2600 nits peak, making it more visible in bright daylight. The Pixel also boasts Gorilla Glass Victus 2 for cover display durability, while Samsung uses a titanium plate layer for structural support. Overall, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold offers a marginally sharper and brighter viewing experience, vital for a foldable's main screen real estate. Under the hood, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold runs on Google's Tensor G5 chipset built on a 3nm process, featuring an octa-core CPU with a Cortex-X4 core clocked at 3.78 GHz. In contrast, the Galaxy Z Fold7 is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite, also 3nm, but with a blazing 4.47 GHz Oryon V2 cores. While Samsung CPU cores are faster on paper, Google's chip is optimized for AI and machine learning tasks, offering a unique edge in software-driven experiences. The GPUs differ too. Pixel uses Imagination PowerVR DXT481536, whereas Samsung sports the Adreno 830 at 1200 MHz, typically stronger for gaming. The choice depends on whether you prioritize raw speed or AI-enhanced performance. Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold7 dominates in sheer megapixels with a staggering 200-megapixel main sensor, delivering ultra-detailed images and 8K video recording capabilities. Meanwhile, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold opts for a more balanced triple-camera setup highlighted by a 48-megapixel main sensor with OIS and a versatile 5x optical zoom telephoto lens. The Pixel's camera excels in versatility and computational photography, while Samsung's sensor focuses on maximum resolution and video prowess. For selfies, both offer 10-megapixel front cameras, but Samsung's ultra-wide selfie lens provides a wider field of view. If you want jaw-dropping resolution and video, Samsung leads. For balanced, high-quality shots with zoom flexibility, Pixel is your pick. Battery capacity is a key factor for foldables, and here the Pixel 10 Pro Fold takes the lead with a 5015 mAh battery, significantly larger than Samsung's 4400 mAh LiPo cell. This difference translates to longer usage times, essential for power users who rely on their device throughout the day without frequent recharging. The Pixel's bigger battery supports its bright, high-res display and AI features more comfortably, making it the better choice for endurance. In terms of memory, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold offers a hefty 16 GB of RAM across all storage variants, from 256 GB up to 1 TB, ensuring smooth multitasking and future-proofing. Samsung provides 12 GB RAM in the lower storage tiers and matches 16 GB only in the 1 TB model. This means Pixel users get consistently higher RAM performance regardless of storage choice, which benefits heavy users and multitaskers. When it comes to durability, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold boasts IP68 certification, meaning it's dust-tight and water-resistant up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes, a higher standard than Samsung's IP48 rating, which only protects against dust particles larger than 1 millimeter. Samsung compensates with an advanced armor aluminum frame and titanium plate for structural support. If you want the best dust and water protection in your foldable, the Pixel's IP68 rating is the standout feature. Finally, price is a decisive factor. The Pixel 10 Pro Fold comes in at approximately $1,799, undercutting the Galaxy Z Fold7's $1,999. For a foldable with a sharper display, larger battery, and higher RAM baseline, Google offers a compelling value proposition. But does the premium on Samsung's end justify its camera and chipset advantages? That's the question you'll want to consider before choosing your next foldable powerhouse.